Hiya! My name is Aileen and I've been working with a great bunch of school children in County Kildare to make this video to share a lovely song with you. So I let them tell you what school they're from.
We're from Scoil. We're a junior school in Newbridge.
And what class they're in.
We are Miss Mouire's second class.
And tell everyone the name of the song that we're going to share.
We're going to share Miss Mousie's ball with you. We hope you enjoy it.
Yes, we hope you'll enjoy it just as much as we enjoyed learning to sing it together. But we'll get to the song in a moment. The whole class did a little activity which you might like to do. You see, in the song Miss Mousie's Ball, she sends out little invitations to all her neighbours. So the whole class made little invitations.
This is our little Miss Mousie invitation. We all made one.
And this one tells you where the ball is going to be. To Mr. and Mrs. Hare from Miss Mousie. Please come to my ball in Mr. Mole's hole. This one speaks about the lovely food that's going to be there. The food is delicious. Just saying. This one also mentions the great spread, the food that's going to be there. There'll be no end to food, it says. But you know, not everybody's welcome to Miss Mousie's ball. This invitation says, no foxes. So let's find out more about Miss Mousie's ball by singing the song. Are you ready? And the first thing we've got to do is sing the chorus. So the words in the chorus, if you can call them words, they're just nonsense sounds really. This kind of singing is called lilting or jigging or gob music. So the words are di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do. Can you say that with me first? Di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do. Good. The 4 lines are nearly the very same. Just listen carefully and sing it back. You ready? So. Di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do.
Di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do.
Diddly-di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do.
Diddly-di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do.
Di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do.
Di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do.
Diddly-di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do.
Diddly-di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do.
So when you put that together, it goes di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do, di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do. Try that.
Di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do, di-di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do, di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do, di-di-dum-a-dee diddle-di-dum-do.
So here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to sing a line and then you sing it back along with the children from Miss Mouire's second class in Scoil Junior. Got it? Miss Mousie said she'd hold a ball.
Miss Mousie said she'd hold a ball
And ask her neighbours one and all.
and ask her neighbours one and all.
She'd hold it in a splendid hole.
She'd hold it in a splendid hole,
Most kindly lent by Mr. Mole.
most kindly led by Mr. Mole.
There'd be no end to nuts and roots.
There'd be no end to nuts and roots,
Cherries red and candied fruits.
cherries red and candy fruits,
Juicy leaves and buttercups.
juicy leaves and buttercups,
And dewdrops in some acorn cups.
and dewdrops in some acorn cups.
Well done. Now let's put all those 8 lines together and sing the first verse followed by the chorus. Ready?
Miss Mousie said she'd hold a ball and ask her neighbours one and all. She'd hold it in a splendid hole, kindly lent by Mr. Mole. There'd be no end to nuts and roots, cherries red and candied fruits, juicy leaves and buttercups, and dewdrops in some acorn cups. Di-dum-a-dee-diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do, di-dum-a-dee-diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do.
So invitations were sent out.
So invitations were sent out
To all the animals out and about.
to all the animals out and about.
If well behaved both one and all,
Well behaved both one and all.
they'd be welcome to Miss Mousie's ball.
They'd be welcome to Miss Mousie's ball.
Veronica Squirrel said she'd be there.
Veronica Squirrel said she'll be there.
So she commenced to brush her hair.
So she commenced to brush her hair.
She brushed it east and she brushed it west,
She brushed it east and she brushed it west.
saying at the ball I look me best.
Saying at the ball I look me best.
Ready to sing verse 2 and follow it with the chorus again? Let's go.
So invitations were sent out to all the animals out and about. If well behaved both one and all, they'd be welcome to Miss Mousie's ball. Veronica Squirrel said she'd be there, so she commenced to brush her hair. She brushed it east and she brushed it west, saying at the ball I look me best. Di-dum-a-dee-diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee-diddle-di-dum-do, di-dum-a-dee-diddle-di-dum-do, diddle-di-dum-a-dee-diddle-di-dum-do.
Said Mr. Heron to his wife,
Said Mr. Heron to his wife,
I've never yet in all me life
I never yet in all me life
received a letter small and pink,
received a letter small and pink.
like this. What is it, do you think?
Like this, what is it, do you think?
Said Mrs. Hare, it comes to call us.
Said Mrs. Hare, it comes to call us
Both unto Miss Mousie's ball.
both unto Miss Mousie's ball.
Varnish up your tail and your coat so brown,
Up your tail and your coat so brown,
and I'll put on my evening gown.
and I'll put on my evening gown.
Let's sing that verse through. You ready?
Said Mr. Heron to his wife, I never yet in all me life see the letter small and pink. Like this, what is it, do you think? Said Mrs. Heron comes to call us both unto Miss Mousie's ball. Varnish up your tail and your coat so brown, and I'll put on my evening gown. Di-dum-a-dee-dee-dee-dum-do, dee-dee-di-dum-a-dee-dee-dum-do, di-dum-a-dee-dee-dum-do, dee-dee-di-dum-a-dee-dee-dum-do.
When Mr. Fox heard of the ball,
When When Mr. Fox heard of the ball,
he wondered if at all,
he wondered if at all,
if he could sneak in by and by,
if he could sneak in by and by,
he'd gobble them all up on the sly.
he'll gobble them all up on the sly.
But Miss Mousie, she heard of his plan.
But Miss Mousie, she heard of his plan.
So she sent for a big policeman.
So she sent for a big policeman.
He grabbed Sly Foxy by the tail,
He grabbed Sly Foxy by the tail,
and he slung him into the county jail.
and he slung him into the county jail.
So the fox didn't get his way, sure he didn't? Let's sing it.
When Mr. Fox heard of the ball, he wondered if at all, if he could sneak in by and by, he'd gobble them all up on the sly. But Miss Mousie, she heard of his plan, so she sent for a big policeman. He grabbed Sly Foxy by the tail and slung him into the county jail. Dum-a-dee diddle die dum do, diddly die dum-a-dee diddle die dum do, die dum-a-dee diddle die dum do, diddly die dum-a-dee diddle die dum do.
Miss Frog was splashing in the pond.
Miss Frog was splashing in the pond,
of which she was extremely fond.
of which she was extremely fond.
But when she heard the joyful news,
And when she heard the joyful news,
she soon hopped out to change her shoes.
she soon hopped out to change her shoes.
Well, they danced all night on the sandy floor,
They danced all night on the sandy floor,
and they never had such a night before.
and they never had such a night before.
Nobody there had a growl or a grouse,
Nobody there had a growl or a grouse,
and they thanked Mr. Mole for the use of his house.
and he thanked Mr. Mole for the use of his house.
That's the last verse. Let's put it together and sing it. And this time when we get to the chorus, here's what we're going to do. We're going to sing it twice, going to sing it 2 times, and the second time, just slow it down a little bit at the end. And we're going to throw in some jazz hands at the very end. Okay, ready?
Miss Frog was splashing in the pond, of which she was extremely fond. And when she heard the joyful news, she soon hopped out to change her shoes. They danced all night on the sandy floor, and they never had such a night before. Nobody there had a growl or a grouse, and they thanked Mr. Mole for the use of his house. Dum-a-dee-diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee-diddle-di-dum-do, di-dum-a-dee-diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee-diddle-di-dum-do, di-dum-a-dee-diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee-diddle-di-dum-do, di-dum-a-dee-diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee-diddle-di-dum-do.
And that's the whole song. How did you get on? How about singing the song the whole way through now with me? Are you ready? Miss Mousie said she'd hold a ball and ask her neighbours one and all. She'd hold it in a splendid hole, most kindly lent by Mr. Mole. There'd be no end to nuts and roots, cherries red and candied fruits, juicy leaves and buttercups, and dewdrops in some acorn cups. Di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do. Di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do. So invitations were sent out to all the animals out and about. If well behaved both one and all, they'd be welcome to Miss Mousie's ball. Veronica Squirrel said she'd be there, so she commenced to brush her hair. She brushed it east and she brushed it west, saying at the ball I look my best. Di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do. Di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do. Said Mr. Hare unto his wife, I've never yet in all me life received a letter small and pink like this. What is it, do ye think? Said Mrs. Hare, it comes to call us both unto Miss Mousie's ball. Furnish up your tail and your coat so brown, and I'll put on my evening gown. Di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do. Di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do. When Mr. Fox heard of the ball, he wondered if at all, if he could sneak in by and by, he'd gobble them all up on the sly. But Miss Mousie, she heard of his plan, so she sent for a big policeman. He grabbed Sly Foxy by the tail and he slung him into the county jail. Di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do. Di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do. Miss Frog was splashing in the pond, of which she was extremely fond. But when she heard the joyful news, she soon hopped out to change her shoes. Well, they danced all night on the sandy floor. They never had such a night before. Nobody there had a growl or a grouse, and they thanked Mr. Mole for the use of his house. Di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do. Di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do. Di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do. Di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do, diddly-di-dum-a-dee, diddle-di-dum-do. So they all had a great time at Miss Mousie's ball, and I hope you all had a great time singing it.
We hope you enjoyed